Well. But what I wanted to do is make these more lethal. I don't think they're lethal enough. Okay? If you screw that back in there, there's a button in there, and this presses the button. So if you have this off, this engine won't work unless you press that button back in. So just screw that back in, and that should go that way. Oh, is it input? Will it start with the capacitor? I don't know, I don't know. If I can give it a whirl, I don't know. What I'm going to do is bump start it. Rob is plugged in. Right, the thing is, plugging things in is okay. So that's like that, because in Europe, look at that. I'm going to take that out. We're going to cut that out of there, fill it in, so then you've got a big, and then I can either open them out a bit, or add more to it. Sorry folks, I've got a job in.
2 hours later.
Right, I finished that little job. I've just ground clean bits on there. 6mm. I want to put that on there. I don't think you can see anything I'm doing. I don't think you can see anything I'm fucking talking about. So let's bring you a bit closer. So we can do one video. You can say, well, I actually understood what the fuck I was saying. I want to put two little, maybe 4 little triangles. So the best way to do this, look at that, a nail out of a welding rod. Now a screwdriver. So, that's hot, Rob. We're going to go 1 inch by 1 inch. We're just going to do 2 about there, I fucking see. You sure, Rob? Yeah, I'm fucking sure I am. Oblongs, and then we're going to go up there from A to B. There's A, there's B. So you're going to end up with 4 anyway, ain't you, really? So, I might put 4 on, I don't know. I might put 4, I might put 2, I might put 1, I don't know. We're going to discut that because I'm fed up with plasma burns. I don't want to burn myself. Right, I'm going to have to stick that in a vice now for health and safety reasons. You know Rob, very health and safety cautious. You know Rob, he's full of fucking bullshit. Right, we did 4 triangles. And I'm going to quickly take them over to the sink. Now, these triangles, okay, so that's the wrong way around because this thing is going that direction. There's a blade there, look, that's a blade there. We'll sharpen up. So we're going to put 2 on there like that. Maybe one leaning a bit. That sound good? One up, one leaning. We'll think about it. Alright, okay. So we got to put a sharp edge on there, and that's pretty fucking hard to do because somebody's cut it very short. Right, don't touch that, people. Oh, that was hot. Let that cool in a minute. Is that one cool? Yeah. That's what I done. I don't know if you can see that. We're going to weld that on there. If the camera focuses. So obviously you've got to weld these pretty good because they're spinning at a very, very fucking high speed. You got to make sure that don't come in contact with anything else. But that goes there, so actually lean them all out. Right, that is that going to come off there? Isn't that cool? Listen, I don't have to tell you. Don't do this at home. Okay? Unless you're fucking crazy. And you've been certified a few times. Which apparently I am, so. Where do your brains stop working? That goes on first. Like that. I don't think these need sharpening, but I will just in case. The thing is, you're not going to believe, but I actually threw this out. This was thrown for scrap. And I thought, well, I'll give it one more go. There, is that lethal or is that lethal? I'm not going to start it up. It's alright. I wouldn't want to put my hand anywhere near that. Might be one of more grips. That nail fits in there. True, I want to cut that out of there, I don't want that in there. I'm going to put that back on. Bonjour. I know. Well, it works, as you can see. Somebody got to clean the mess up. I don't know if you can actually see that part, can you? Let's have a look. Yeah, you can see that fat. See all the mess, somebody got to clean that up. Perhaps it's time to get the apprentice in. Right, what I want to do is actually see if it will do cardboard as well.